Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will read a chapter from the Lawyer's English Language course book written by Catherine Mason and Rosemary Atkins. Please subscribe to the channel and thank you for being with me. Law of tort. The law of tort deals with civil wrongs. A wrong is something that causes harm or damage to another person. The words harm and damage have the same meaning. A person who suffers harm or damage is hurt in some way. This hurt might be physical in nature, but it might be some other type of hurt, such as causing someone to lose money. This area of law is based on the following principle. In situations where I cause harm to another person, I may be liable to compensate him or her for that harm, even in situations when I do not have a contract with that person and I did not commit a criminal act against that person. Let's say that I'm shopping in a large supermarket and an employee of the supermarket washed the floor 5 minutes ago. The floor is not completely dry. I do not know this. There is no sign to warn me that the floor is wet. I sleep on the floor and hurt my back. I have to go to hospital and I cannot go to work for a month. This is a situation where I need to make a claim based on the principles of the law of tort. I am hurt physically and I have perhaps lost money, all because of someone else's conduct. Conduct is a more formal word that means behavior. The law of tort says that I must not harm another person either because I choose to harm him or her or because I was not careful enough. In other words, I am liable for any harm that I cause to another person either from having intention to cause harm or from negligence. How is this area of law different from criminal law or contract law? The answer to this question is that there is a lot of overlap between the law of tort, contract law, and criminal law. Overlap means that these areas of law include some things that are the same. However, an important difference between the law of tort and criminal law is that the main purpose of the law of tort is to compensate people who suffer harm and not to punish the people who cause this harm. An important difference between the law of tort and contract law is that the law of tort makes us liable to people with whom we have no previous relationship.